Hello class 103. Today is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, and today we're going to be starting with Storytown Student Book, page 448, and then after we're going to move on to the workbook, page 73 to 75. So pause the video while you open your workbooks, and let's get started, okay? So on page 448, we're going to be doing the connections where we compare texts, okay? So take out a piece of paper while we answer these questions, okay? So pause if you have to. All right. Question 1. Could a tapir have been in Rainforest Babies? Why or why not? Well, we know that Rainforest Babies was all about animals that are born in the rainforest, right? And we learned about the tapir, where was the tapir born? The tapir is born in the South American rainforests. So, could the South American tapir be in Rainforest Babies? Yes, he could. So for number 1, let's say the tapir could have been in rainforest. Maybe got a new marker. Rainforest babies because they are from the rainforest. Right? They're born in the South American rainforest. Actually, I think rainforest is 2 words. Yes, it is. So rainforest is 2 words. Rainforest. The tapir could have been in Rainforest Babies. We'll put quotes because it's the title. Rainforest Babies because they are from the rainforest. Okay? So that's what you write for number 1. Now, if you look at number 2, what rainforest baby do you want to learn more about? Why? So this one is kind of on your own, all right? You have to tell me which rainforest animal you want to learn more about. And you have to tell me why. Give me one reason why. So for number 2, this is how you're going to start. I want to learn more about, and then you have to say the animal, because, and then give me the reason, okay? I want to learn more about blank because blank. So that's what you're going to do for number 2, all right? And then in number 3, how do you think scientists learn about rainforest babies? So, how do you think that they learn about the rainforest animals? Well, they probably have to go to the rainforest, right? They have to go there and watch them, right? That's what I think the answer is for number 3. How do you think scientists learn? So I'll say, I think scientists learn about rainforest animals by watching them in the rainforest. Now, you don't have to say these answers if you have a different one. You can say whatever you want as long as it makes sense. So for number 3, I said, I think scientists learn about rainforest animals by watching them in the rainforest. Okay? So the only one you really have to work on your own is number 2. You have to tell me which one you want to learn about. Okay? So pause the video if you're not finished this. Pause it, and then we're going to move on to the workbook, okay? So pause. Okay. Now, in the workbook, on page 73, that's where we're starting, page 73, we have review writer's craft, okay? Let me just see if I can read this for you. Okay. Good writers choose topics they are interested in and use strong words that will interest the reader. They make sure to write dialogue correctly so that it is clear to the reader. So here we have the writer's craft, the voice, the conventions, chooses a topic that interests you, use strong words to show that you are interested. Use quotation marks, a comma, a word like said, and the speaker's name to write dialogue. So the convention is more like the grammar and stuff. And then the voice is actually what you're going to be talking about, okay? Read the following paragraph. Excuse me. Read the following paragraph of dialogue. Think about the topic and strong, interesting words. Tristan and his dad, can you see that? Yes. Were looking for seashells. Tristan saw a rough brown shell. What kind is that? That is a clamshell, his dad answered. What is that bumpy orange one that is running away? Tristan asked. That is not a shell, his dad said. That is a crab. Answer the questions about the paragraphs. What topics are the two characters talking about? So what were we talking about in that paragraph? Make sure you have this and go and erase. Okay? So, what are the characters talking about in the paragraph? They're talking about, excuse me, they're talking about shells. They're talking about, so we're just going to write shells. Number 2, what strong words tell you about the clamshell? If we go back to the clamshell, we will see Tristan saw a rough brown shell. So the two strong words are rough and brown. Rough and brown. I'm running out of room on my phone, so I'm just going to stop recording and do a part 2. Give me 1 second.